Hello, morning. We are here again. We are here in the solar tower again. I just decided to do again. I was thinking, how come it was so not that difficult? And then so many years, I came on the wheelchair. So I decided to try again. Yeah, I already walked to the solar tower one way already. So, yep, nice, huh? And then now I'm going to the bush way to going to the Noah's Ark. Yep. Yeah, yesterday the reason I started the video was I want to give some comment about my new food, but I couldn't remember my food name. It was like I still don't remember. I forgot to check it again. But after operation, I'm using the VGK plus the STNG, another food. This one has some like spiritual action, something like that. And I really like it, but it's not that expensive. It's really great for the uphill and downhill. It's a different feeling than like when I was walking with the Lushy. I tried Lushy like a high profile and low profile. Maybe high profile was pretty good, but excuse me. After I changed to the VGK, it doesn't allow me to have a high profile anymore because VGK is pretty long. Hey, do you guys see the solar tower? And here's my baby. My baby is happy. And this is the picture of the church I took yesterday.